Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Unix Debian based security OS. So the reason why I choose this project is how to be anonymous. As a security professional, sometimes we need to be anonymous. We need to know what the hackers can do to us. To prevent these kind of attacks, we need to know how to be anonymous, and sometimes as a security professionals you are in a higher risk of getting attacked. So the first I install this Mint friendly user Linux based OS. It's fully encrypted, so in case of if I got lost my laptop, someone cannot use my data using the hard drive because it's fully encrypted hard drive I have it. And the second part of my project is installing VM, and in the VM I install this Unix. So the Unix is a security software. This can be installed on a VM. The first I install the Unix gateway, which is the Unix gateway is allow me to configure the onion router. So sometimes when we use the Tor browser, we are vulnerable to attacks, and sometimes even though it's going IP DNS changing through exit nodes, they can identify the IP addresses, and sometimes we could be the middleman. We could be attacked by malicious activities. We could be have different attacks, which is not very secure and which is not safe. So this onion router is running inside this Unix gateway, and the workstation, we have a workstation, Unix workstation. This is where we can work our work to be done. Example, so this is already Tor browser is already configured to the workstation, but this is basically isolated, so that whatever the gateway and the workstation is separated. So the gateway is the one who connect into the internet, and from that the workstation is the one I'm doing. We can be run any program you want it, anything inside the workstation. The second, so I use this Unix gateway to the Kali. So I configure the onion router or the Unix gateway to the Kali using the IP address which is assigned to the Unix gateway. And the other thing, one thing I did add to my project is firewall builder, which is help us to secure or manage help us to manage our the firewall. So I'll show how to create a new, so I'll give a name. I will use already config templates. So example, I want this web server interface. So you can add IP addresses to block, IP address to run. So example here, this is how we action taken, denied, inbound, denied, accepted. So here HTTP. So if I want to change to HTTPS, we can give the permission and deny all the HTTP services. So this is one of part of my project, which is helping us to manage our system securely. And um, finally, what I learned from it, the Tor browser is not secure to use because it could be has a lot of illegal things going on, and I heard it's built by US Navy, so it's not give us, is that fully anonymous, do they know what we're doing? So that's what I learned, that using different Linux based software we can secure our system. So this is my project. Thank you everyone for listening my